Hello guys, this is Eric Tay from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is 23rd of January 2024. Right, thank you so much for coming back here. Yep, and I'm looking at GU. Okay, let's go into a chart first. I'm looking at GU. Okay. Hi MK. Namaste. Wasim. Nice to see all of you here. Like, okay. And let's see. GU starting the selling. Sawadee krap, Suki. Wow, I just come into the live and I see pound dollar so nice. Target at 127085. Right, so yep, and let's take a look. Okay. Okay, guys, take a look at pound dollar. All right, 127085 here. This is the target that we are looking at. 127085. Yep. Okay. So Dobra Utro Caro XNS. I must keep saying XNS so that all of us will remember that. Hey, come on, start the channel with XNS. And we'll go and support you. Come on. Okay. All right. And well, today looks like a good something good there. Okay. Okay, and let me set up. Okay, hi Hubert. Right. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm late. Like my meeting overrun. Okay, so yep. And let's see. Okay, so yep. Give me a little while. Let me set it up. Okay, yes, okay. Right. Okay, so over here. Okay, so oops. Right, okay, so pound dollar already start the selling. Okay, so please take note. Okay, do take note of the pound dollar. Right. Okay, and what else? Okay, Hong Kong side. Okay. Pretty. All right. Yes. Okay, take a look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar is already selling. Okay, so if you are looking for about 10 pips there or 5 pips there, yep, I think should be quite good because tentatively nice selling. The selling from here, right? It went down now. Okay, so well, right. Really, you're late. Okay, yep, right. So, yep, we can, yep, 2035 is a solid resistor. We can test it again. Okay, right. So, let's take a look later on. Okay, let me come again. Yep, let's see. Okay, right. Okay, let's talk about the gold first. Okay, right? So over here, wow, nice area. 2036, we have taken out this area, correct? It went up this morning, and it's not this morning actually, just an hour ago. Okay, and now actually this area is the area that yesterday Carol was sharing with us. Okay, the XNS is sharing with us. Okay, that this is the area that are looking out for the selling, am I right? Okay, so 2035 is a solid resistance. Okay, over here. Okay, so nice, very good. All right, so yep, that's one here. Okay, so quickly browse through. Okay, Bitcoin 39,666. All right. Okay, and yesterday. Okay. I think yesterday we have many of them have actually realized the uh profits from 30,000 to 40, right? Okay, so without cutting the profit at 49, we cut at 40. Okay. Okay. Anyway, good. As long as there's profits. Okay. Yeah. All right. So yep. And pound dollar. Let's take a look. Okay. Recap a little bit on the pound dollar side. Okay. Pound dollar. We have going up and up and up and up. Looks like today during this session there we're going to be some pullback down. Right, looking out for something. All right, yesterday. Okay, let's recap a little bit. Yesterday, well, yesterday it went this way, captured some, and still have some that is not being recovered yet. Okay, as we can see, if I'm just shrink down a little bit, it went up again to take this area, which this area is the area. Okay, we're trying to balance out. Okay, because of the H4, right? Because of H4 area here. Okay, we are trying to take this area. Okay, so this area has been taken and it actually breaks through even higher, right? So it breaks through even higher, okay, and created this transition. Like I said, the bull went up into a transition, right? Okay, this is a theory, is a concept only. Okay, it's only a concept. Okay, so this concept over here, okay, over at this point here, and it's actually coming in here. Then after that, there's a selling comes in over to this area, but yet to recover the rest at the bottom. Okay, over here, it managed to stop this area. Well, this area we have spotted this as a support yesterday. So it actually went down here. During the live session, we are talking about it may form as an inverse head and shoulder. So we have to be careful, right? Especially Sabrina on that side. So yeah, Sabrina over here, okay, and we actually hits into this area here. Be careful of this as an inverse head and shoulder. Yes, indeed, it became a head and shoulder. It went up, right? So after that, it came back right here to the head and shoulder area, inverse head and shoulder area as a support, correct? So it went up again. Well, so this area here, well, with this area over in area here, it started to shift up, move up over at this point here, and let's see what is actually happening up there. Okay, creating these highs here. Okay, so okay, well, let's take a look. Well, let's see. We are actually looking into this area of resistance. So it's coming so near. Okay, so over at this point here, looks like we are actually moving this move from yesterday, this Monday, Tuesday move onto this area here. They are actually moving into the area to look out for more sellers. Okay, more sellers. So they are looking for more sellers to sell off. Well, okay, looks like they have a hit into this area here, but is that the actual one that the actual area seems like we still have a little bit to go. 127,526, right? Okay, then I guess probably there may be still some movement to go up, but they are looking for support now. Okay, with this London session, I think they are still looking for some support. Okay, so in this case here, okay, see, so actually right now we can see that from this area here, okay, if we are actually looking for some support, looks like, okay, there's a move here, okay, there's an area here that we can take note, okay, this area here, okay, 127085, okay, 1.127085, okay, so this is the area that I'm looking at, that this is an area that we can take a look, okay. Let's not forget about, let's also take note about this area 127263, okay, which we still have about 8 pips to go. 127263, okay, so it should be around here. Okay, so when before it hits into 127085 as a support over into as an area here, there will be a hurdles here, okay, there will be an hurdles here, so this one you have to take note as well, right? Okay, so yep, this one we just need to take note, okay, take note of this area as well, okay. So let's see if this today this is going to later on, okay, later on if this is going to continue a good selling down here, if the resistance from up here, we have created another higher lows here, the rejection shows the resistance, okay, and then we have another round here, okay, this area here, okay, so let's see if this is going to close right below to see the selling will continue to go further down, okay. Yeah, and let's see for M15, M30 is also looks like they are coming near to the area of the resistance and forming the selling structure here. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so as we can see from this area here, right? Okay, so area here. Okay, so looks like, okay, this is one area to take note. Okay, and also from the H1 we are forming a resistance now coming down to get, let's see if the H4 will continue to bring down the price to the support, okay, where we can see this is quite a strong support over at this point here, okay, to look out for this support to bounce up even higher, okay. All right, so yep, that's for this, okay. And okay, yep, so let's hang on and take a look, okay. Yep, over at this point here, right, for the pound dollar, looks like M30 has opened. Let's take a look how's the M30 opening, okay. M30, yep, M30, okay, looks like we are still staying above this area here. It may need a little bit of effort. Okay, may need a little bit of effort. Okay. Right. So then if it's able to form another lower highs over into this area, okay, then I think likely this is going to be taken, okay, into this space here. Yeah. So just take a look, okay. Pay attention to this area here. Okay. Yeah. Right. And what else? And let's see. Okay. Well, for the goal wise, okay, as for the goal, let's see if the goal is touching. I see that M5 is touching onto the MA, and Generally, do you think the selling is still possible? Generally, do you think the selling is still possible? I see that the selling is still quite possible, right? 2035 is a solid resistance. Okay, as we can see, right? 2035 here. Okay, 2035, huh? Okay, yeah, it's quite a solid one. Yeah. All right. So what? So will you be waiting, Carol? Are you waiting for the price to meet up with 2035 once again? Uh-huh. There's no wick on the top of the H1. Oh yeah, I forgot to check that. Oh, this one. Okay. All right. For mine, I have a little wick up there. For mine, I have a little wick up there. Yeah. So let's see if this is going to create another wick here. Okay. Little bit of wick. Okay. Yep. Right. Okay. So for pound dollar, we are now looking into going back now to test into this area. Okay. Looks like coming back to test into this area. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to take. Okay, if this area is going to form as a resistance, okay, then I think there more selling space down here, 15 pips. Then we have a 15 pips there. 30 minutes close as a rejections. Okay, let's see. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Over here. All right. So just take a look. Oh, M30 close as a rejections. Looking at that, seems like the possibility of creating a wick is quite high. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think. Well, let's see. Okay. So let's see if this actually did it went down to from this opening down. It went down for about 30 pips. 30 pips. And will it actually flip over? So 8 to 10 pips, right? When you have 8 to 10 pips, then after that, 8 to 10 pips, then after that to enter a trade to get the week where to get the opening price, the profit to get at the opening price, right? Okay, but anyway, guys, for now, if you, I mean, initially, I think it should work. It should work on the few initially, right? When the H1 with candle open without a wick, right? When it go down 8 to 10, then after that, or maybe 8 to 12 even, then after that, enter a buy trade, waiting for the flip, correct? Waiting for the flip to come. So things like now, I mean timing in terms of timing, like now, it has already passed through so long. Is it still good to enter for a buy to wait for the flip? What do you think? I mean, I don't know. That's what I'm asking. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, hi Christopher. Hi. Okay, thank you for coming in. All right. So yep, and let's see where. I'm looking at this area. I'm looking at M5. Okay, I'm looking at M5. I like to look at M5 to study some details. Some in terms of the 1 hour, within this 1 hour or this move here. Okay, I see M5 that seems like it's a head and shoulder here. You know, okay, it moves like a head and shoulder formation here, right? So I mean in terms of structure, wise, okay, I see that it's like a head and shoulder. Okay, so probably it may be going down to take. It may be coming down to take an area. Right? Maybe coming down to take this area, right? Before it actually goes up. You know, I mean personal opinion. I don't know. Okay, by looking at this, because I see the move this way. Okay, seems like they are looking for this. Okay, so this has been filled up over here, the whole move, and they are now after they created this, right? I mean they have completed this area. Okay, seems like they are moving to create a new move. Okay, a new wave to have a new swing back again, right? So let's see I mean, to what I know, okay, to what I see here is that it's actually going to swing off. Okay, I mean it's going to create a new wave down, right? Then after they created to set up a support, then they will start to swing off to take back again, this area here, all right? Okay, that's my point of view. Okay, that's my point of view. Okay, so probably it may be coming down to take this, and then after that we'll go back again, so that they actually will create the wicks here, or even they touches this to set up a higher support to go further up, to go further up to take 2035 again. 2035. Okay, all right. Yep. I mean, that's for the gold. Okay. Yep. As for pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar. All right. Pound dollar. Yeah. Pound dollar actually, for now. Okay. You can see this whole area from here. It went off downwards and slowly come back to complete this whole area. Correct. To complete this whole area. But of course, as you can see, the move up here, like the support is strong from here to push, correct? Is strong enough to push from here. Then after that now is actually another round like this. Okay, the pullback to look out for support. Then after that to continue to go further up to complete this whole area. Okay, so that's what I meant, huh? So that's why I'm looking out for the selling. So for pound dollar, if you are selling, remember that these are still a pullback. Okay, it is still a pullback. All right. Okay, so this is still a pullback. Okay, so by explaining all this is to further understand how it moves. That's all. Okay, then over at this point here, okay, you can just take it as a reference, as a theory, okay, to incorporate into what are the trading strategy you are using, okay, or indicators you are using, or whatever system you're using. All right, so just take note of them. Okay, yeah. Okay, yes, Sabrina. Okay, yes, let's take a look for pound dollar. Wow. Okay, it comes in this another selling structure coming. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's see if this is going to go further down with this selling structure has formed up. Okay, then after that, let's see if this able to go for a good selling down. Okay, to take this area, but remember this 127263 is a tough area. It's a tough area. Okay, right. Yeah, it's a tough area to take note. Please be careful. Okay. Okay. Right. This area is a tough area to take note. Okay. That's for pound dollar. All right. That's for pound dollar. Okay. So this one. Okay. After it passes through this area, then if this is going to break below, okay, if this is going to break below, to retrace as a resistance once again, then another round is coming in to take 127.085. 127.085. I see that there's a very high chance to be here. 127.085. Okay. And today we don't have any high impact news. Okay, all the yen has already gone. Okay, gone, the yen pairs. Okay, correct. Okay, yeah. So just take note. We have a few areas to take note. Okay, yeah. I think this move is very obvious. This move is very obvious. Okay, very easy to trade. Right. Yesterday we waiting, am I right? So boring, right? So today we have more. Today we have. I think we can be more exciting. Okay, about the movement. Okay, so let's see how this is going to close. Okay, M15 still looking good. Right, it's still looking very good over here. Then M30 closing is okay. Which one is still okay? So we need a little bit more time. This is still looking good. Okay, we have another area here actually. Okay, this is another area here. Wow, there's quite a few areas to be careful of. Wow. Okay. Yep. Yep. And for the pound dollar, okay. Yep. So yep, just sit back, okay, and relax. Sit back and enjoy the show. I guess pretty good. Right. Okay, so over at this point here, right, looks like the whole, let's shrink down so that it's easier. We can see clearer in a way. Okay, so for the pound dollar, we are actually moving now to take this 127.263 first. Okay, yeah, right. And do you have any news in the midnight here? No. Okay, right. Okay, how about a gold? Let's take a look. How about a gold? Okay, so the gold is waiting to be retested as a resistance to go further down. I see 2026, 2026, 2026, 2026.79 here, this area here. Okay, I think more selling is coming in. Looks like okay. If there's a new resistance coming in M5 here, I mean I'm looking into the details because by looking into this area here, it looks like head and shoulder here. So that's what I'm looking out. Okay, let's see if that's able to form up. Okay, the formation is there already. Let's see if this is going to come down to take this area. Right. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Sabrina. I am sitting back and having my chips now. Tell Caro that. Okay. You heard that, Caro? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so just wait for a little while. Okay, just wait for a little while and see this move for the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. If this pound dollar is going to actually have a sudden have a push down to take, okay, M15 doing good. Fill it up. We need to fill up, fill it up, fill it up. Okay, so you can see this area here, 127284. Okay, it has to go below. This is the price. It has to go below. Okay, and Sabrina was saying that she's sitting back and enjoying her chip now. Uh, okay, yes. Yep, and let's see over here. Okay, let's push it and see. Let's see. Let's see. If this is going to push lower. If this is going to push lower, we're going to expect more. Okay, we're going to expect more. Right. We're going to expect more. Okay. Yep, a little bit more to go. A little bit more to go. Let's see how this is going to go. Yes, it's Sabrina. Okay. Okay. Well, and okay, we are coming. Okay, we are coming. Anglo. Wow, GUTP. Congratulations. Well done, well done. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Why not holding it? Why don't you hold it? Okay, I mean, anyway, okay, your choice. All right. Okay. Sabrina is on keyboard. No, she's sitting back to have eating her chips. Okay, 1 more minute to go. Okay, 1 minute to go. Then the new M5 is going to close, then open. Okay, this M5, let's see how you close, man. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, this M5. Okay. How is this M5 closing? Well, close lower. Close lower. Close lower. Okay. Close lower. Well done, Anglo. Okay. Yep. Okay. Come on, come on. Go. More, more, more. A little bit more. All right. Okay. 1 minute can pass very fast. Well, okay. Closed. Well done. Not that good. Well done, not that good. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Okay, we hope to see more. Okay. More selling, more selling. More selling over there. Okay. More, more, more. We need more, we need more. Come on. We need more. So to achieve, so to able to take, we need to break this area. 127263. 127263. Okay. We need to break this in order to get more. There will be a good, then after that, likely there will be some pullback. Okay. To form a lower highs to go further down. Okay. And nice. Okay. Nice. It only need a little bit of time. Okay. Right. You need a little bit of time. Okay, so the rest, anyone else entered for this? Okay, the selling is the selling should be here, around here, around here. Yeah, there's one entry here. Right, there's one entry over here. Okay, let's see if this actually coming in. Okay, from this resistance, we sell off, and we have another level here. Okay, let's move one line here to see if this is going to hold it. Okay, to hold below as a resistance. So this is an area looking into this area here to around this area, this area here. Okay, to form as a lower highs to continue to go further down. Okay, right. So there's a range here. Okay, there's a range from here to here. There's a range here to form a lower highs to continue the downward trend. Okay, to go down further. Yeah, right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Will this form as a support or will it actually close lower? Okay, yeah, close lower, huh? Come on, my dear, close lower. Right. Yep. Okay. You have to close lower, okay, because I'm waiting for M15. Yeah, M15. Yes, that's good. Very good. Okay, so yeah, as we can see, if I'm going to shrink this down, okay, you can see the bull is running, okay, and come into an area, started to form some transit in, like forming up a transition. That's as I always say, as a transition, right? So it started to get out of the transition. Okay. Of course, this is M5. Transition is always a very in M5 transition happens a lot of time. Am I right? Okay. So um, when we can see as we can see, all right, once you get out of transition, okay, the bull has ended and coming into as a bear. So they are as a bear in the M5. I'm talking about M5 only, huh? So the bear is actually going to look out for the support where I see area like this is good. Okay, area like this is good. Okay, so highly possible. Okay, highly possible. So once we break, if we can break out of this one, this area here, all right, 127263, then this will be an area that is a turbulence area. We get out of this turbulence area. Okay, so that we can go nicely to land our plane, right? Okay, so this area, okay, this area, right? Okay, so that's one. Right, so still moving towards, okay, so we're still moving towards, right, still moving towards the south, closing lower, which is good. Now we are coming to the turbulence area. Now we are entering into the turbulence area. Okay. Uh, okay. Right. Okay, we are entering the turbulence area. Now look at this area here. Are we going to break through? Okay. Right, Bradley, GUTP, congratulations, well done, very good. Okay, good job, good job. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, the rest still waiting, or the rest still waiting, or are you still on the still waiting to get profit, or waiting to hold it further down? Okay, yep. Okay, let's see. Ooh. right? We have some rejections now. We're getting some rejections from this area. Okay, looks like looks like this turbulence area will give some pain. Okay. Yep. Right. So hang on. Okay. Yep. Let's see if this will still continue to close lower. We are waiting for the H1 to close as well right now. Okay, M30. Okay, H1. In terms of H1, we still have plenty of space. So there some smaller time frame like M5 may have some turbulence later on. Up again, then down again, then H1 will go up again and come down again, all this nonsense. Okay, all this movement. So at this point here, we are looking at this area. Okay, looks like we can H1, if H1 is going to close lower, okay, right, I guess the next hour should be still on the selling side to look out for this area here, right? To look out for this area here, right? So of course, not forgetting over at this point here when we plot this out, you can see, right? So there are some support area here, correct? Okay, so this is one point to take note, right? So let's see if this is how it's going to close later on. Okay, so now they are coming back to test into this area to form up the resistance. Okay, now they meet up with the turbulence area. And they are moving to see if they are going to stay resisted and come back here to test into this area again. Okay, so they initially with this swing, with this push down, touches the turbulence area, and now it get rejected immediately. And let's see if they are going to go back to take a rest from here, then after that to see if they are going to go back again, okay, to get more supporter to sell. Then they come back again to test to see if they can break this area now. Okay, so let's see if that works. Okay, let's see if that works. All right. Okay, so at the moment, let's see if that works. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now we're 59. Okay, 30 seconds to go. All right, around 30 seconds to go. So let's hang on and see. Right, and meanwhile, okay. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Okay, it's closing this way. Well, looks like they are going to have some struggle there. H1 has opened. Okay. Wow, looking good. Still looking good. I think H1 open. Alright. They are going to looks like they are going to test back. Okay. Test back the area, the turbulence area. I can see a gap. Can you see a gap there? Okay. The gap down, immediately filled, and then go back down to this. Alright. I see a gap down. Okay. So this turbulence area is going to face challenge now. Okay, go. Come on, let's go. Okay. Well, it can be. Okay, Sabrina was saying. Okay, yep. Hubert, yes. Right. It's also a form. It's also a form to see whether it's going down to close lower. If not, it should be struggling. Can Can I say so? Well, you can say so. Well, but I see that tentatively it is still going into another. It is still showing the continuity of the selling. It's like a price print. It depends how it closed now. Okay, it's like a price print here. So it will be later on for the buy side. So it should still, if this happened as a price print here, it should be still continue to short further. Then after that, when it come up on the buy side, this will take effect. Okay. Right. Yeah. So that is one of the point here. Okay. Then probably but it all depends on how this candle close first. That is more important. And that's the most important part. Okay. If this is going to close below, then it's going to close below, then is good. So before we can conclude this, okay, this green candle here, we have to wait for this candle to close, the current M5 candle to close. Then we can conclude that. Okay. Yeah. So 3 minutes to go. Yeah, about 3 minutes to go. Yes. Right. Yeah. So probably we can see some selling off, and then maybe another 5 minutes up again, then another down again. All right. Yeah. It's possible. It's possible. Yes. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Okay, let's see. The gold is nice. Okay, H1 has opened. Caro, don't sleep. Don't take a nap. Okay, so looks like the gold is still looking good. Okay. In terms of current situation, currently the head and shoulder has formed up this way over into this structure, and as we can see, there's a little retest into the head and shoulder area, correct? So we're looking at some rejections down here as well. So probably, okay, the selling may still continue to run. Okay, most likely I would say, as I see over here. Okay, so you can see, okay, head and shoulder here, correct? And this area, let me zoom in. Okay, you're having your breakfast. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry to disturb you. Okay, then I shall report to you. Then make sure you like those big boss having a breakfast, and then your staff is reporting to you. Hi, boss. Okay, look at the goal. We have a head and shoulder here. Okay, right now, looks like now the retest of the head and shoulder over at this point as a resistance. Selling is still possible to 2026. Okay, right. Then after that, hitting on 2026, we are heading for the buy side. Okay. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, let's see pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar is nice. Pound dollar is very nice. Okay, closing down. Oh, January. GUTP. Congratulations. Well done. Very good. All right. Fantastic. Okay, so nice. Yep. Okay, so let's see. Oh, Fab also GUTP. Ah, very good. The both of you are sisters, right? I know the two of you are sisters. Okay, thank you. Very good. Sabrina, fantastic. Still going. Yep, still going. I still wanted to take. Okay, I'm still trying to take another level down. Okay, good. All right. Two of you are sisters from Taiwan. Yeah. Okay, so nice. Okay, over here. Well done. Very good. Keep going. Okay, looks like pound dollar is going to swing down over at this area here, and then probably we are looking into this area to get this 127.085. 127.085. Okay. We have passed through this, right? We have passed through this. So let's see if we are going to get further. Okay. Right. So let me see. Okay. 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 Can. Let me see. Okay, let me take a look. Okay. I am oh my god. For a moment, know what? I don't know how to take a picture. Okay. Okay, sit back. Yes, Sabrina is still sitting back, enjoying happily. Okay, good. Okay, now we are coming into another area. Okay, this area. Now we need to take note. Okay, good. Okay, now we are coming to 127.21, 127.21, which is another area in M15. Need to, no, not M15, sorry, it's M30, right? M15, M30, let me see. Oh, M15, sorry, yeah, it's M15. Okay, this is another area. Okay, another area to take note. Okay, so, yep, right. Well, pound dollar doing good, still selling, still selling. Okay, well, pound dollar still selling. Okay, selling, huh? Okay, and looks like it's actually stopping into this area now. Okay, look at this, another turbulence area, right? Another turbulence area. Okay, yeah. Christopher, TP, well done. GUTP, Christopher, okay, good job, well done. Late entry, but managed to get it. Thank you very much. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, well done, Christopher. Okay, okay, so nice, so nice. Well, okay, gold can drop to 2022. Oh, you are back from your breakfast. Okay, yes, boss, you're back from your breakfast. Okay, let's see. 2022 over into this area, yeah. Well, very nice area. Once it breaks through 2026, I think it's going to be a free fall. 22. Let's take a look at 2022. Okay. 2022. Okay. Around here, huh? Okay. Right. Okay. Nice. Guess I should be around here. Okay. Yep. If this is able to pass through, huh? We need to break this 2026 like I say. Okay. Yep. Yes, GU is definitely giving belated Christmas present to the sellers. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's a good description. Okay. I still like the move up better. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, the H1. Yeah, there's some okay. Let's see if this able to if this is going to break above that area here. If this is going to hold another resistance down, yeah, I think likely to move to the south. Okay. Yeah. Right. Then let's see. Okay. All right. And see first. Okay, let's see. Well, where this is still moving here around this area here. Looks like it's still challenging this area of resistance, the MAs in the M5. I mean, I look at M5 is because I'm looking at current movement now. Okay. About GU, let's take a look. GU, now they broke this area, will this area to form as a resistance, okay, then to go back for the selling, okay, to go back for the selling, right? Yep. Okay, let's see. Okay, now looks like it's actually trying to reclaim some over there. We will see how it goes. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Will it actually push back down again? Push back down again to take the lows here, then continue the selling, right? Quite possible, right? Yeah, Sabrina was saying quite possible if the rejection comes in. If the rejections come in, huh? Okay, I also think so. Okay, hang on, no worries. Okay, just wait for a little while. Okay, and for now, waiting for if you are looking at pound dollar to go on the selling, okay, then probably we want to see another round of resistance. Another round of resistance to come in, then we will be able to see more selling is coming. Okay, then more selling will be coming. Okay, yeah. Looks like over at this point here is still this area here is still promising. Okay, I see that this area is still very promising. This whole area here. Okay, I mean I see it that way. Okay. Yep. Very nice chocolate dessert. Is that fattening? Would that be fattening? I love chocolate too. Please give me some. Sabrina was saying. I think many of us love chocolate. Okay. I love chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Yeah. I love dark chocolate. Especially about 80/20 or 82, 82%. Yeah, I think I love it. Mm. Okay, hang on with that. Right, so just hang on with this. Okay, looks like we have going to have pullback, a little bit of pullback here to go further down. Yeah, Sabrina, you're so greedy. Okay. Oh. Okay. Right. Then well, some retracement is coming in to meet up with some resistance up here, over here, area again. Well, this area again. Then the selling may comes in once again. Okay. So anybody still with GU? Anybody? Many of us have been taken out the profit. Yeah. Okay. Don't drink coffee. Well, okay. Oh, Matthew, busy working. No, not watching on the PC. Oh my God, you missed that. Wow. It's okay. More chance is coming. Okay. Okay. It looks like wow, it's still holding it nicely. Let's see where it closed. You see the closing over here. For the last 5 minutes, the closing was here. Okay, which is good. It's still being resisted. It's still near to the resistance, I would say. It tested the rejections, and now they are struggling. They are fighting. Okay. If I go even further down here into 1 minute, it looks like, you know, okay, down there, more to go. Okay. Coffee takes your magnesium out. That's why people feel exhausted and think they need to drink coffee. Hey, oh, that's a good reminder. Exactly. Hey, you are right, huh? Correct, correct, Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. That's a scientific proven. You know, I used to take magnesium pill. Okay, I think lately I need magnesium pill than coffee. Okay. Uh okay, so XNS. Okay, let's go again. Okay. R&D. But I'm hooked. Yeah, you're hooked with coffee, right? Okay. Understood. Okay, I can understand that feeling. I used to hook with coffee, very bad until gastric issue. Uh-huh. Right. Yeah. Okay. So let's see for the pound. Okay, looks like this area of rejections here from the M15 we can see. Okay, this area here. Yep. And we got rejected 127.21, and it seems like we are actually got rejections here. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah. Barclay, you are hooked up. What is that? Biatches and cots. What is that? Oh my God. I beg your pardon for my poor vocab. What is that? B- Hi, Maher. Nice to see you here. Okay, I got it. Right. Okay, so seems like can come back here. All right. Uh, over here, over here. Like this is quite a good one. 127.21. Okay, and we actually come back from 127.26 on the M15. It closes at this area here. Well, let's see if this is going to push into this area to form a resistance. Okay, this whole area. All right. Okay. Well, and okay, we may see some rejections from here. Okay, so this is what is that? What my wife is OOT. What is OOT? Okay, so let's see if this able to hold this area to able to hold as a resistance to continue, because right now it seems like they hit into this 127.21 to have a pullback, some retracement to form another round of lower highs. Okay, right. So and over at this point here, they may have created another lower highs to continue the selling. Okay. And maybe we will be able to continue the selling to take 127.085. Okay. Yep. BTC target 38 for out of town. Oh, my wife out of town. Okay, I see. Right. Okay. Okay. And Bitcoin 38 418. 38 4. Okay. Okay, over here. Right. Okay. Yeah. Ah, party at Barclays. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, give us the venue, and we shall RSVP. uh, okay, so right, and well, for the Bitcoin, okay. By the way, the Bitcoin on the ETF side, huh? Seems like how is it looking at that? All right. Yeah, Rick, you looking BTC for selling? No. We have already said that 30,000 the entry, 40,000 the exit already. Now waiting for the selling. So I'm not going to spot the BTC. Okay, so but with the ETF coming, I think it's actually moving into right. Hi, Merry Christmas. Right. Sorry, my brain is still with Caro and Bradley. we are we are still in the OOT. Okay. All right. So sorry about it. Okay. So I think that with the ETF on the Bitcoin, okay. So I see like Merry Christmas. I think the other day we were talking about I'm I'm I I'm not. I would say currently the move of the Bitcoin, we still I would say that we still unable to use whatever analysis we use on the gold, we use on the on the currency, okay, to use on the Bitcoin. Okay, I think Bitcoin wise currently, okay, Still okay, still be, you know what, let's do this. Where is it? Oh my god, my moving with right. So we are still looking into using MAs to actually look at the golden cross. Okay, okay, I'm looking at the golden cross, right? So we can see, right? So over at this point here, like last year, Caro and me, I think we are discussing and looking at 16 or 15, right? We are hoping to see 16 or 15. Am I right? Correct. 16 or 15. Then we are talking about it may even go below. It may even go below, like say 8,000. Right? Wow. TP 200 USD. Well done. Okay. Wow. Okay. So but for now, I think currently, if you are going to spot the Bitcoin, naturally, I think, Caro, am I right to say, in Asia we have this saying, close one eye, short it. Close one eye, short it. Short it with one eye closed. Short it with one eye closed. Correct. Okay, so I think we still have plenty to go. Okay, at the moment. Right. Yeah. Hubert was saying yes. You're right. Okay, short it. Yeah. Okay, so 100 USD change in price is 100 USD profit with one lot. Yep. Okay. Yeah, and yep. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Yes. In terms of price, yeah, 突然间想起来了 Okay. In terms of the Bitcoin, don't go with pips, points, you go with price. Just like shares, okay, stocks market, okay, we just go with price. Okay, so 38.9, 30, now it's 38.9, okay, probably another 38.8. That will be $100. Okay, $100 difference. So you go by dollar. Right, so now let's say the 38.9, 38.92, 38.920, 38.920. So it's 38.820, and it's $100. Okay. If it drops like $500, your price is 100 with one lot. Yeah, $1,000 with two lots is da, 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 da. Yes, correct. So you go with the price. Okay, just go with the price. So you base on the price to determine your profits. Okay. Okay, that will be using, but I'm basing on one lot. Basing on one lot. Okay, so after that, yeah, can I type out? And okay, for example, 38 now is 38.9. Okay, okay, to 38,800 equal USD 100 USD profit. Okay, with one lot. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, yeah. If it drops 200 like yesterday, your profit is 2,000, 2,000, or 2,000. No, you're not stupid, please. Okay, you're not stupid. You're cute. So cute. Okay. Uh, right? So okay, so we can see. Yep. Thanks, huh? Cute butt. I don't have a butt, okay. Right. Yep. Okay. We value everybody around here. Yes, that's right. That's right. Of course. Okay. Yep. Let's give a big hug. Ta-da! Okay, so yep. Right. Just go with the price. Okay, just go with the price. The price. But I suspect one thing, Caro. Do you still remember last year we were talking about maybe 8,000, 10,000, alright? The price. Do you think that when the Bitcoin actually kicks into the ETF, okay, will it still trade with 30,000, 40,000 price? Do you think it will still trade in that price? Will it actually go like, I mean, the price for the Bitcoin, will it go like maybe 2,000, 3,000, or maybe 10 over 1,000 or 8,000 or 10,000? Do you think will it still go with about 30 over thousands? Yeah. Okay. Last 2 weeks I was speculating. I was speculating in terms of the ETF may may failed. Okay. It was a scene in Fraser when Parrot says it. Okay. Okay. Have you watched it? Right. And but the thing is that for I think in times to come, where okay, just now I was saying, correct. As of Bitcoin, is I won't use support resistance. I won't use whatever, Yeah, I won't say I won't be using all these to analyze out, all these, But the thing is that because at at that, at this point of time, I think the Bitcoin, before this ETF thingy, okay, we still have those a lot of sport and a lot of speculations, a lot of guessing games in the market, correct? So as for Bitcoin, okay, yeah, I hold my first Bitcoin. I got my very first Bitcoin at about 4,000 plus. Okay, that was way back. Okay, that was really way back, and that was way back that initially when things started off, that was 2012, 13. I think that was somewhere there. I can't remember. I can't remember 2012, 13 where news out. 14, 15, I think around there where that was my first. Okay, yeah. So I was thinking that, oh, come on, man, will I get a coin? Will I still get a coin? Initially, when I buy that, will I still get a coin? I was wrong. Initially, when I was first introduced and I was studying about the coin, yeah, where at that point of time nobody know who is the person behind the coin, right? So that Japanese guy, huh? So, yeah, I think 4,000 plus, yeah. So okay, since everybody's buying, I was like, okay, get one coin and see how it goes. I dare not go too much on that. Then of course when you boom up at that point of the 69, okay, I was like maybe it's a scam. I don't know. So I just leave it aside. That's as days goes by, as years goes by, I think it's getting more and more to the scenario where news were out that people are using Bitcoin to buy a pizza. Correct? People are buying a pizza. All right. Okay. And then And then I was so are you a secret Bitcoin billionaire? No. No, I'm not. I'm not a billionaire. All right. Okay, but I think I'm actually have a concept of buying it as an asset. But at that point of time, there's a lot of things like centuries ago when gold trading, right, from from the year where Germany, okay, the Denmark, okay, German mark at that point of time when it started to change the era of how the gold is like currency from dollar exchanging from the currency exchange to exchange as a gold to as a reserves, right, and to buy the dollar and at that era, okay, until now you see the price changes in the gold, am I right? The gold price. So I was at that point of time I was thinking about the same scenario about all this. So you see in I was just speculating that this thing is actually still like not that kind of things. Yeah. Yes, Eric paid 5 BTC for what? Kung Bao in 2011. Kung Bao. Do you mean is that Mandarin? Is that Mandarin? I think if it's Chinese, then yeah. Okay. But because during that time, 2011, 2012, 11, I think somewhere there, I can't remember, to 2015, 16, a lot of scams using coins, a lot of scams in Southeast Asia. There's plenty, a lot of scams using coins. There are plenty of coins that they come out by themselves. Okay, so I was wondering, am I doing the right thing or not? But anyway, okay, that's at least I didn't spend that much. Okay, a kung pao chicken. Okay, so no, you know what? But I only have one. I only have one coin at that time. Yeah. Of course, I mean I was holding the concept like the goal in the at the era of Germany. They are actually all the wars. Then after that, they need to build. They need to rebuild. With the Nazis of everything. So I was thinking of that scenario. Will the Bitcoin will go through the same scenario like the gold, So as we know in many years back, in terms of the currency history, Aussie dollar, the Aussie currency was tagged into the pound. Am I right? Was tagged into the pound. So those were the eras. Okay, I don't know if you guys know about all this history, but in finance, you need to know all this history because in finance, it doesn't change much. Okay, how should I say? The strategy don't change much, so it still go back. It still go one round and come back with the same strategy, all this kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, that is one. Yeah, then probably yeah, then that's where I actually come in to take. Yeah, I bought the 8K of XRP in 2017. Oh, I see. Okay, me too. Me too. 4K plus also not a billionaire yet. Okay, so but the thing is that the concept is that at that point of time I was really I mean personally I think it's a scam or because too many scams around, yeah, in the Southeast Asia. Then you know what? Then but anyway, I think it's spare cash. Okay, I just bought some. All right. So just leave it. If it's scam, then let it go bust. Okay. But I was thinking that it should go through those days in Germany, the Australian dollar, right? And you know, probably that is where the goal, that's where the goal started, the change, am I right? Okay, the change. So people don't buy dollar as a reserve, people buy gold. So that's where the gold becomes demand. Am I right? Yeah. So at this point of time, when we are talking about the Bitcoin, all right. So I was thinking that okay, similar scenario, right? So I was thinking, okay, since there's a similar scenario, then why not give it a try to see if I can go through that era and then suddenly poof. Okay, then I think that's pretty fine. That's pretty good for me. Yeah, that's my thoughts. That's my thoughts. Okay. So, but well, I just take it as assets. That's all. Nothing much, right? Okay. Yep. So for the pound dollar, we are as what we mentioned just now, it really stopped here, and selling is still ongoing. Sabrina has already entered one more, but Sabrina, when you entered this one more, okay, take note of this area. Okay, 127.21 as a support here. Okay, it has to break this area to go further down to 127.085. Okay, so this is one area here that we are looking at. Okay, 127.085. Yeah. Okay, don't you think the Bitcoin, the risk is still very high at the moment now? Everything there's a risk. Everything there's a risk, but definitely not to buy and hold it to go for a higher price. Okay, right. It's not a good time yet. Okay, right. And well, we are now still in the midst. Okay, we're still in the midst of the change of the coin. So for Bitcoin wise, if I'm going to use what support resistance, RSI, or this kind of thing indicator to put into this, I still find that it don't work. I still find that it don't work. Okay. Because I have a coin, I've been monitoring using all these, trying out to read the market, but I don't think it works. So far, the back testing don't work. Okay, so far for me, all right, for me. Okay, when I go into a investment, when I go into an investment, usually I will try to follow up. Okay, for example, like uh, I put in some funds in the Tesla shares. Okay, so I also want to look out for like Tesla, Tesla shares. How will it be like? Okay, then how what are the things that I'm going to what are the strategy I'm going to put in, to continue to hold the shares for a long term. Usually for shares and gold and like Bitcoin, okay, I will always go long term. I always go long term. Yeah. So if this is if the Bitcoin is now selling down, like we are talking like saying that 35, maybe 35. Okay. 35 over here. Yeah. Then 35 maybe. Yeah. 35. Okay. 35,000. Then probably can consider some buy-in, yeah, to hold for maybe to back to 43, yeah, maybe 35 to 43 again, for example. Okay, yeah. So that is one of the way. So by selling off the Bitcoin to spot it, currently I see, like Carol was saying, okay, with this ETF coming, actually, you know, more money is coming into the market, right? More money is coming into the market, and with more manipulation. So if you're good, of course, if you're good with taking out you're good at identify all the manipulation. Okay, then I think it's fine. You can go for it. Yeah. But for me, no, all these are not okay. Yeah, all these are not really for me. Okay. I'm not a risk averse person. Okay, definitely not, Sabrina. Okay. Certain in certain aspects, certain instrument, I'm a adventurous person. But in for certain instruments, I can be risk averse. Okay. Like example, if I buy shares, if I'm talking about Singapore shares, okay, Singapore stock market. Okay, I think I don't have to be adverse or adventurous. Anyway, it will, yeah, like this. Okay, yeah. So for the goal, like example for the goal wise, okay, looking into 2026. So for the goal wise, okay, I will always look out for events. I always look out for events. Yeah. For example, I'm sorry to say that I'm not being evil, but when we see the war came in, right? And yes, just buy and hold. Yep, I will buy and hold. Correct. Example, like a Ukraine war. Okay, like a Ukraine war, which happened in 2022 October. There's already a sign. Okay, 2022. There's already a sign. Okay, and 2022 October. There's already a sign here. I already you know 2022 is it? Yeah, 2022, right? Okay, was it 2022? Yeah, Ukraine war. During that Ukraine war, February, right? February. Before the February, October was already looking out to buy. So it's still ding dong there, whether fight or no fight, whether the fight or no fight. I was like wondering. I'm really wondering will they fight. So at that point, okay, since that's the case, when the news came, then after that we will just uh taking a bet. Okay, if indeed I'm taking a bet. Okay, I'm taking a bet to enter that trade at 18. That was 18. My price was 18 plus 1850. I think 1850. Yeah, 1850. So I was taking a bet. Yeah, then to go for the buy. Okay. Then after that, we can see that this area, okay, when the war came in another round like Israel, okay, this is another round. Okay, where this area here, like the other time in the Discord, if Carol still remember, okay, I actually released at 1978. Yeah, I released at 1978. Yeah. So that's how that's one way that I'm actually trading on the gold side. Okay. Yeah. Yes, cannot earn big lah. What WB method of trading is already outdated. No. What do you mean? I don't get it. Sorry, I missed out this part. You're talking about holding, right? Ah, okay. So I mean that's for me because for me spot to spot the goal wise, I'm not really into it. Okay. But of course, by reading the movement, okay, by reading the movement itself, it can helps a lot on your analysis to see. Okay, well, like now we are heading on 2026, right? Okay, selling of 2026. This is our target where we actually looking into the price earlier on when we discussed about this, right? Because of the structure, correct? Because of the structure. So which is good. Okay, with all this, I use the spot method. Okay, to determine where is the long term to sell the gold. I want to sell off the gold to get back my 1834 area. Of course, this is everybody's area. I mean, we are all looking at this area, right? But we have to pass through 2002 to 1981 first, correct? Okay. So yep, that is using, you can use, okay, like you see with a swing, right? Every one swing of trading method, within that one swing trading method, the swing method is the front. What is the back? What is the steps that go into the swing? They're bound to have something to go to the swing. Yeah. So using all the details to tell you the swing. Yeah. Okay. So I guess it's I think pretty easy. Am I right? Okay. read it as if you are reading it daily using the same method, you can see something there, right? Just like Caro was, see, Caro can read this. Okay, this area, yeah, it hits this area and it swing down to this area. As we discussed earlier on, 2026, yes, it comes to this area, right? So this is what I mean. Okay, this is what I meant now. Okay, so this is what I meant by, yeah. So this is the area here. This is the area here where we read it in a way, you have a way to read it. You will gauge the price, okay, the price level. Yeah. What is WB? I also don't know what is WB. What is WB method of trading is already outdated. I don't know. Okay. Right. Yes, Sabrina. I capture my TP again over here. Oh, well, okay. I cut my profit at the price of 127 to 10. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Oh, Buffett. Okay. It's not outdated in a way, alright? Because if you think that it's outdated, that is not his method is not his method. What should I say? He has a, how should I say? Okay, you must know that some methods. Okay, like I say, for example, let's talk about history. Let's talk about some histories. Okay, let's talk about history. If you study back then, okay, in finance, we study a lot of theories. Am I right? Those people are studying finance. We study a lot of theories, and theories comes from history. And you will realize back then, for example, Germany, okay, Germany Germany has this war. Okay, they have a lot of they have East and West Germany at that point of time where situation was so bad, this and that. Then they use a military, military start to build up using funds to build the country, but build a lot of military use, all this kind of thing, to strengthen the country or whatever. So you see, back then they use this method, but today, are there countries that are using this method to build their economy? Yes, there are. There are. Okay, but at that point of time, communists, correct? And until now, it's still, there are still countries doing this. But then again, is that they started to change the way after that, until German mark has become euros, that kind of era. Okay, then you see, what did they do? What did they do? For example, Japan. Okay, at that point of time, in the Euro, Germany, why did they purposely inflate their currency? Correct? Why? Then what happened now in Japan? The Japanese yen, are they using the same way? So a lot of time in this era, currently, they are referring back to what the leaders were using in the past. So in investor, like you say, WB, right? Okay, his method can be outdated, but along the way, he did change and improve. Correct? It may works for people. May be thinking a lot of us. I've been through some seminars. People are thinking, talking about that was like of course he's rich. He can do that. Okay, but if you are not as rich as he is, like me, okay, then we can do it small. But when we do it small, it is still making use of it to achieve some saving goals, to achieve as a saving goals. So it depends on what kind of direction you're looking at. of course, you're looking at to become a billionaire. Of course, it doesn't work that way. You have to start early. You and me, we may have already missed that years of accumulations. You know, his method is talking about accumulations. So it's not that that doesn't work, right? But in sport, right? We spot the gold, we spot the currency, all this kind of thing. Of course, we're talking about current situation. So method may be different. Okay, so it can be different, right? If big banks, financial institutions, they are being so big, making billions and billions or trillions of dollars out there, they are still using that method. I think for retail trader like me, I dare not say anything. I dare not comment anything. Somehow rather they still work. You get what I mean? Okay, so what we can do is that, okay, we just refer and refer to the method and see if that method actually still, certain methods at certain level or era still, I mean, circumstances still works, then okay, we just go with it. You get what I mean? Yeah. All right. Yeah. So at the, you know, so that is what I meant. Okay. I mean being very neutral. Being very neutral. Yeah. So like George Soros and Warren Buffett, they are great investors as we can see. Yeah. I use Harakiri method. Okay. I think I think that is a good method too. Okay. Yeah. So guys, okay. So today let's see wow. We chatted. Because of the pound dollar, it hits this and I already half-hearted. Once it hits 127.21, I'm half-hearted. Okay, so that's why I go into some chatting with all of you, sharing with all of you. Okay, just to want to enter any trades down here, but I'm waiting for I'm still waiting for good opportunity to actually get the resistance to go back to 127.085. Get rich or die trying. Yes, of course. Yeah, exactly. To be honest, I fully agree with this. You know, really, because you see, let's put it this way: 90%, 90% are so-called salaried employed, correct? So they trade the time for money. So if you are venturing out, to me, if you are venturing out, you may not get rich, but you keep trying, you will not die regretting, correct? People who are salaried employed, they are already complaining not enough, inflation, never enough. And if you are trying hard to get rich, you are also living like them, not enough, inflation, correct? Never enough. But you are trying. At the very least, you are trying. You are not trading out your time. You are trying. Am I right to say that, Carol? Correct. So if one day you hit the spot, okay, if one day you hit that G, right, you may get rich. You may just get rich overnight with that simple idea, like Jack Ma, or maybe like Elon Musk, correct? You may just get rich, correct? If not, die trying. Yeah. Anyway, everybody is die trying to survive. Why not you just die trying to get rich? You get what I mean? Agree? All right. So, yep. Okay. Right. So, okay. So you know, that's my thought. That's my thought. Okay. Okay. So let's see with this planning coming along. I'm not sure. Totally agree, huh? Yeah. So yeah, high five. That's why I resigned my director position. Oh, you're a director. Oh, I didn't know. Okay. Okay, anyway, guys. Okay, so I mean, let's have some spur up for yourself. If we feared this round in trading, don't give up. Persist on. Keep trying. You may do well in the next round, and when you find and you find it good, okay, all right, and you keep on doing the same thing, you will stay consistent, and that's where money comes in. Okay, you get what I mean, right? I I to be honest, I used to okay. I used to think back. Why am I struggling? You know, why am I struggling to to build up to be a entrepreneur or no or to start up a career or a business of my own. You know, but you know, sometimes I feel very tired. Sometimes I just feel like giving up. Ah, what the hell, man? What the f? Like, you know, like I was just like okay. I was just like, all right. I was just like yeah. But when I think back, maybe when I go down on my business, I'm just hitting on my SL this round. And I can still get back. For people who still believe in me, I can still hit my TP the next round. Correct? Okay. So I still continue to go on. Yeah. So I just keep trying. Either like you say, get rich, but not in but I do not, of course I can build my wealth myself. I just want to, get the word wealth, the word rich doesn't mean monetary terms only. Correct? It also means the achievement in your life. So I'm just looking. I'm really looking forward. This is what I'm chasing. My dreams. So you see, my business may go down. People who may don't trust me may left me alone or leave me alone or whatever. But those are just up and downs in the life. Correct. So yeah, same thing goes in trading. Yeah, get rich or die trying. I like that. Can I have the copyright from XNS? Get rich or die trying. Okay, I will have that in my post. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's wow, time flies. Well, it's about time. Okay, let's do some planning over here. Pound dollar, I still see some selling. If you are going to sell, look out for 127.21.0. Okay, over here. Break it, and we are going to achieve 127.085. This is my okay. That will be my okay, my target. Okay. Okay. So I see that there may be good chance here. Okay. Right. Yes, Mr. Director Buckley. Let me kiss your hand. Oh, S. S. Okay. Yeah. Right. Sabrina was asking you, do you have an apple for her to polish? Oh, that's a good way, huh? Okay. Well, anyway, yeah. Okay, good community. Very fun community. I love all of you. Okay, so for pound dollar, by looking into this area of 127.085 is because of this liquidity that I'm looking at to take. Okay, so but remember these are all still the pulling back because looking at this H4 has opened, I still see there's good chance. All right, although 127.21 is still one very stubborn support there. Okay, but still looking at the whole range here, there's still good chance of coming into this level of 127.085 or even slightly lower to 127.035. Okay, so still looking out for some selling on the pound dollar side. Okay, still looking for some selling on the pound dollar side. All right, then well, for the pound dollar side, look out for areas because now currently we are still forming out the selling structure. We still see the selling structure is still there. Okay, so I will still prefer to see some selling there. And of course, 127.21, this stubborn one. Okay, once it breaks, we will see 127.085 down here, or even to take out the lows today. Okay, so that is for the pound dollar. So selling, okay, is still in the loop. Okay, still in the loop. Right. So now, and let's take a look about the goal. Right, the goal. Oh, 2026. We have come to 2026. Looks like a selling down to 2026 here. Right, another 1 hour. Okay, so you can see. Okay, and over at this point here. Right. Over at this point here, we are coming into this area to see ongoing. Right, we are still on the mark of 2026, right? Okay, no wick on top again. Okay, let's see. Wow, really no wicks on top again. Okay, so yep, this is the support that we are looking at. Right, so from here, no wick, and we are on the support. What are we supposed to do? Okay, yeah, what are we supposed to do? Buy, right? Okay. 2028. All right, 2028. Yep. Okay. So looks good. Okay. Right. Okay. And supposed to take the TP soon. Okay. Yep. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Yep. Right. Let's see. Okay. So we were talking about 2035 is the main resistance there, right? It's a very strong resistance there. Yeah, mine at 2028.4. Okay. So but let's say I see that if this is going to break below, this will be the price. 2022 is a very promising price to go. Okay, 2022 will be a very promising price to go. Right. Okay, so that's what I see. That's what I see there. Hopefully, okay, after it recovers, be a new resistance down again. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Okay, pound dollar. Okay. Let's see if this is going to break below. Okay, if this is breaking below, you have a good chance there. Okay, you have a good chance there, but the bottom part you only have about 12 pips. Yep. Okay, you also have a 12 pips there, right? Correct. Okay. Well, generally it's still looking out for support here. 127.085 here. This is what I see. Okay, this is the support here. Okay, 127.085. So I guess that is still the price that we are looking out for. Yeah. Okay. Well, good. Looks like it's breaking out now. Breaking down this. As for the goal wise, okay. Yeah, I think probably this area here, where after it hits here, it may form a support. Now it's trying to form a support. No, no, okay, for the gold wise, it's still form. To me, I see as still. To me, I still see as it's still forming a support over here. All right. Then after that, it may goes up to test into this area. This area has to be tested. Yeah. Okay. To give more selling if the selling is still going. Okay. Yeah. GU still giving. Yes. Yes. GU is still giving. You're right. JJ. Okay. Right. Okay, we have this area taken out. Okay, and now we have this area right now retested to form the selling down here within below this area. So we are moving down to another area here, which not very. There will be another round of turbulence here. Okay, another turbulence area here. Okay, then after that it will come. If this is also breaking, definitely will come to 127.085. Okay, 127.085. Yeah. Okay, so that's how it's going to be like. Okay, so plan out all this area. Right. Then after that, please don't hope. You may still hope for some more selling to take the lows, and here we still have plenty. Okay, still have plenty to go. Right, but then again, is that whole area here, this whole area here. Okay, but currently it doesn't show any sign that it's coming to 126. 126.79.6. Right. So in order to, this is a bit too far. Let's talk about now first. Okay. But of course, if this is going to be so smooth to break this to come back here, okay, of course, why not? Right. But that's a bit far, huh? Okay. Let's talk about here first. Okay. Let's talk about here first. Because when the New York session to come in, then there may be some changes already. So they may be coming down to take this 127.085. After that, there may be a change of trend. Okay, so please be careful with this. Okay, all right. Okay, I guess that should be all for now today. And today's Tuesday. All right, and pound and pound. The gold looks like they are setting up the support now. Tested again, and support is coming in. Good. 1 minute to go. All right. Okay, so today's Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay, yesterday I was talking about Thursday. I may not be around, but there may be some change of plan. So let me confirm it. Okay, and I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Okay. Right. So at the moment, okay, I shall still see you guys tomorrow, and I will still, okay, I'll still be back tomorrow. Yeah, correct. Okay. Yep. Thank you so much, guys. And over here, that's all for today. Wish you good luck in your New York session, and with bountiful of profits. Okay, do remember to share it with me. Right, we have a Discord channel down below in the description box. The link. Okay, you can click it and join in our Discord channel. Okay, then what else? Then nothing much. Okay, so just follow up the plan. Okay, so pound dollar and the gold is where we are looking out for something here. The plan just now we are talking about. All right. Okay, that's all for today, and I shall see you again, guys. Thank you very much. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub.